Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. For today's video, what we're going to be drinking is rum runner. Are you surprised? You shouldn't be. This flavor is called Bahama Mama. Bahama Mama. She has grenadine, coconut, banana, orange juice, and pineapple juice. Bahama Mama is one of those drinks that when you go to like those little Caribbean spots or whatever, they have these in there, you know, and you get into one of them big cups with the umbrellas. That's what a Bahama Mama is, I think. I'm mixing up my drinks, but whatever. But doesn't it sound like a fun drink to put with an umbrella? Yeah. So I'm gonna pour this as usual over ice. I shook her up really good. We're gonna have her. I'm actually very hungry right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if I get drunk in this video again. Don't judge me, judge yourself. Yeah. I've had this one before. This is what I was having at Virtual Creatives. This is one of my favorite ones, Bahama Mama. Yeah. If you guys if you guys want something that's like not overly sweet but it's nice and refreshing, you guys know I love myself a refreshing drink. Actually tastes passion fruit in there, but there's no passion fruit in it. So maybe I don't know my fruits, but it tastes so good. I'm probably gonna finish this tonight. It is so good. Bahama, I completely forgot I had this already. Yes. Oh my gosh. All right. But I'm so hungry. Only thing I had today was cereal and Oreos. Yes, I'm a big child. So for today's Naked Sunday video, we're going to be talking about is long distance relationships. So how do I feel personally about long distance relationships? I have been in one before. It didn't work out because we did too much space. I feel like if you're not seeing each other at least once a week, it's gonna, you know, fizzle out, die out. If you're I don't know, if it's not once a week, let's even say once a month, you know, communication is on point. No, once a month is too long. You have to see each other more than that. I'm sorry. No disrespect to anybody's relationship. If it works for you, it works for you. I just feel like there are more gaps in the relationship, and it allows for people to cheat and to step out and to do other things with other people because you're not there with them. Not necessarily because they want to, but because, you know, we're humans and we crave certain things, we desire certain things, and at some point masturbation is not going to be enough. You feel me? And for the people who do hold out and the people who do stay strong, I know us women, we can do it because black girls don't cheat. Cheers. For the people who can't hold out, you can't really blame them, you know, because at the end of the day, they're still humans and they still, like I said, they need and desire and require certain things. So do I believe that long distance relationships can work? Not 100%. Like dead ass. People who see each other every single day still cheat and get cheated on. So it's not a matter of the distance does factor in, but at the end of the day, every relationship takes work, especially long distance ones. Now, if you are in a long distance relationship and you want to spice it up a little bit, my AC just came on. Oh gosh. If you are in a long distance relationship and you do want to spice it up a little bit, phone sex, FaceTime sex, is that a thing? Is that what you young people call it? FaceTime sex? I don't know. Sending each other videos, you know, sending each other little sexy text messages and voice notes and all those things. Taking I already said pictures. But no, but like an actual like photo shoot, like, you know, you go and you get, you know, sexy lingerie, book a photographer, someone that you're comfortable with or that you trust, and have them take some pictures, send it off to your person, all that good stuff. Honestly, make it an open relationship. If you know that you or your partner can't remain, you know, to themselves while they're with you throughout this distance, what I would say is make it an open relationship. Of course, you're gonna have your rules and your clauses and all that stuff, but I feel like you should have some openness to it. You are free to flirt, you are free to kiss, you're free to sleep with once there's no emotional attachment, I guess, or once, you know, you're being safe at all times. Once you're not messing up somebody else's home, you let the person know beforehand what the situation is. Yes, I do have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. This person is, you know, how many miles away, and we have an arrangement where I am allowed to be with other people, but just know that it cannot be anything more than what we are about to do, you know. That can get tricky though if that person continuously talks to that one person, and then, you know, feelings develop and it becomes more than what it needs to be, and then when you come back into town or when they go into town, it's most people don't know how to check their feelings at the door, and that's where a lot of complications come in. So that might not be a good idea either, you know. My neighbors are having a good old time right now, like laughing up a storm. I want to hear what they're talking about so bad. That's my 2 cents on long distance relationships. Go ahead and leave yours down in the comment section below. I know I did have a contest going. The contest ended. I'm going to pick the winners. I'm so sorry for the delay. By the time this video goes up though, the winner would have been contacted. So I guess scrap that. Don't forget that. Just wanted to let y'all know. All right. What else? Naked Sunday full frontal is June 2nd. I say this in every single video. If you want to come and meet me in person and talk sex and drink with me and meet some awesome people, network. Your network is your net worth. The more you know, the more you grow. You see, I'm such a good rhymer. But yeah, come through and have some fun with me and my friends. And yeah, I'll leave the ticket link in the bio. And I think that's it. If you have any, again, I think I said this already, if you have any tips on long distance relationships, if you are in a long distance relationship, you have some advice for other people in the comment section, leave it in the comment section. Let's develop a conversation. Let's talk about these things together. I want you guys to talk. Hit me up on Instagram anytime. And I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much, Rum Runner, for sponsoring another Naked Sunday video. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.